Hurricane Gonzalo is hitting Bermuda right now. Storm teammate meteorologist Julie Phillips is tracking it for you. Hey, Julie.
That's right, Jen. We are still tracking that hurricane. You can see on our satellite imagery right now, the eye is nearing Bermuda. Pretty amazing when you think about this and the entire Atlantic Ocean. We have this major hurricane, the eye, going to be nearing it over the next hour or so. You can see we'll pass nearly directly over it, close enough to be considered a direct hit. So again, not good news for the island of Bermuda. We do have some video we want to show you now, and you'll likely be able to see, as you can see there, some very strong winds already hitting the island. We're going to be looking at winds probably gusting over 100 miles per hour for a decent period of time there. You can see already looking at some damage, storm surge, likely going to be life-threatening for folks on the island there as well. So let's head back to the radar. We'll show you what we're dealing with and the current conditions right now of Gonzalo. As you take a close look in, you can see right there currently the eye, and it is nearing Bermuda. Current conditions 125 miles per hour. So this makes it a major hurricane. Category 3, already keeping those winds gusting up to 155 miles per hour. And again, moving off towards the northeast at about 16 miles per hour or so. So over the course of the next 5 to 6 hours, Bermuda will continue to be hammered by this storm. As you can see, the worst of it moving right over the island. As we head into tomorrow morning, we'll be clear of the island. Conditions will be improving. Cleanup can start there, but it'll still be a Category 2 storm and then continuing to stay away from the U.S. coast. So again, this will not be affecting the U.S. at all. But for our friends in Bermuda, they're needing our thoughts tonight as that storm does hit them. Currently, we are again looking at those winds probably gusting over 120 miles per hour for about 6 or more hours. Now, this can do a lot of damage when you have that strong of winds. Last time this area saw such a strong storm was back in '03. Fabian hit Bermuda as a Category 3 hurricane. So really some nasty weather we're dealing with there. But across Florida, well, things looking pretty quiet right now. And Jen, coming up in a little bit, we'll have a look at your weekend forecast, which looks just as beautiful.